Debt. It's like that unwanted guest who shows up at your door, eats all your food, and refuses to leave. Whether it's credit cards, student loans, or car payments, debt has a sneaky way of keeping us stuck, living paycheck to paycheck. But here's the good news. You don't have to live like that forever. Today, I'm going to show you not just how to pay off debt, but how to pay it off faster. And trust me, once you start, it feels like lifting a mountain off your shoulders. Let me tell you a quick story. A friend of mine, we'll call him Jake, was 23, fresh out of college, working his first job. He thought, I'll just use my credit card for small things. I'll pay it back later. Fast forward 2 years. Jake had 3 credit cards, a car loan, and over $25,000 in student loans. Every month, half his paycheck vanished into debt payments. He felt trapped, but here's the twist. Jake changed his strategy. In less than 3 years, he went from drowning in debt to completely debt-free. The same principles Jake used are what I'll share with you today. First things first, you can't fight what you can't see. The number one reason people stay in debt is because they avoid looking at the actual numbers. So grab a notebook, your banking app, or even a spreadsheet and write down every single debt you have. Credit cards, loans, personal borrowings. Next to each one, write the balance, the interest rate, and the minimum payment. It might sting, but once you see it on paper, it's no longer this monster hiding under the bed. It's a challenge you can now defeat. There are 2 famous strategies to pay off debt faster. The snowball method, focus on paying off your smallest debt first. Once it's gone, roll that payment into the next smallest. It builds momentum and feels motivating. The avalanche method, focus on the highest interest debt first. It's mathematically faster because you're cutting down the interest you owe. Neither is wrong. If you're the type who loves quick wins, go with the snowball. If you want to save the most money long term, choose avalanche. Jake, he went with avalanche because credit card interest rates were killing him. Within 6 months, he paid off his first card completely. Now here's the part that hurts, but it works. Look at your spending and find what's not truly necessary. That $7 streaming subscription you barely use, cancel it. Daily $6 lattes, maybe cut it down to twice a week. Every extra dollar you free up is another soldier in your war against debt. Jake cut out eating takeout, downgraded his phone plan, and started cooking at home. That alone freed up an extra $400 a month. Cutting expenses is one half of the game. The other half, making more money. Because let's face it, you can only cut so much, but your earning potential is unlimited. Side hustles, freelance gigs, tutoring, babysitting, delivering food, selling stuff online. There are more ways to earn extra money today than ever before. Jake started freelancing graphic design on the weekends. That extra $300 to $500 every month, straight into debt payments. The faster you feed the debt monster, the faster it starves. Here's where most people fall off. They start strong, but lose momentum. The trick? Automation. Set up automatic payments above the minimum. That way, you don't even think about it, it just happens. It also protects you from missing payments and getting hit with late fees. Think of it like working out. Consistency beats intensity. Even if you only throw an extra $50 at your debt every month, it compounds faster than you think. Paying off debt isn't just about money, it's about mindset. Celebrate your milestones, paid off 1 credit card, treat yourself to a small dinner out, cleared your student loan, take a mini trip. These little rewards keep you motivated. Because remember, the goal isn't just to be debt-free, it's to build a life where money works for you, not against you. Debt doesn't define you. It's just a chapter in your story. And by tackling it early, you're setting yourself up for a future with freedom, choices, and peace of mind. Jake's story? Once he became debt-free, he started saving, then investing. Today, instead of stressing about bills, his money is growing in the background. That's the power of flipping the script. So here's the question. Which strategy will you try first, the snowball or the avalanche? Drop it in the comments below. I'd love to hear your plan. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more money hacks, and share this with a friend who's ready to break free from debt. Because the faster you start, the faster you're free.